What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Leaf smart key remote fob. This Nissan Leaf key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the key fob that my thumb's on. Hold that release down and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this little notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in the notch like that, and then I'm going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And you see it just starts to split it apart a little bit. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver and just carefully run it down the side in that crack, and then once you get it far enough apart, you can just pull it the rest of the way with your hands like that. Now in the back of the case, we see our battery right here. You can use your screwdriver just to get under the edge of it. And we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. Have the battery plus side down in the holder like that. Snap it down into place. Now we'll put the two halves of the shell back together, and if you notice on the top right here, there's just a little bit of a lip on this case. So that's the end you need to start in first. You kind of just need to tuck that top in like that. And then snap it the rest of the way together. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.